Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad. 1600 cc's of big bore V-twin power, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful condition. It's got the running lights, engine guards, floorboards, touring windscreen, locking hard case side bags, passenger backrest. Only 30,000 miles on this gorgeous satin black heavyweight V-twin cruiser. Come on by, make your dreams come true for just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.